Hello everyone, my name is Yael Brudner and I'm a U.S. immigration attorney. Today we'll review the process of petitioning your parents for a green card. To petition for your parents, either your mother or your father, to live in the United States as a green card holder, you must be a U.S. citizen and at least 21 years old. It's an important note that if you're a green card holder, if you're a permanent resident, you cannot petition your parents to live permanently in the United States. You have to wait until you're a U.S. citizen first. We have a lot of information just generally about family petitions, who can petition who, if you're a green card holder, if you're a U.S. citizen. So feel free to check out that on our website. But let's talk about the process of specifically petitioning your parents. The process really depends on if your parents are here in the United States or if they're abroad. And regardless of where they are, the first step in the process is the same. The first step in petitioning for a parent is to file a petition for them. This petition is necessary to prove to USCIS, to immigration, that you are a U.S. citizen and that you are really the son and daughter of your parent. And therefore, your parent is potentially eligible for a green card. So the petition part is to prove the eligibility, okay, that you're a U.S. citizen and your parent is your parent. Now, the next step of the process depends where your parent lives. If your parent is living abroad in another country, you'll have to wait until the first petition is approved, okay, before you start the next step, and the next step after the petition is approved is the green card application process through a U.S. consulate at your parent's home country. And this is referred to as consular processing. If they are approved for the green card, they will receive something called an immigrant visa at the consulate. And when they enter to the United States with their immigrant visa, they immediately are considered lawful permanent residents, and they will get their green card in the mail several weeks after that. Now, if your parents are living in the United States after they've entered the U.S. legally with a visa or in another way, and they later decide to apply for a green card, they're eligible to apply to adjust their status to a lawful permanent resident at the same time you file their petition. And this will lead to an immediate processing of their green card in the U.S. Okay, you don't need to wait for the approval of the I-130. So it's a one-step process for them. You apply for the petition and they apply for their green card at the same time. And just an important caution here. Be sure your parent does not or did not use a tourist visa or a visa waiver with the intent of gaining entry just to apply for their green card, okay? That could be considered a misuse of their tourist visa, and that could lead to a visa denial. Okay, so you really, really want to be careful when you are applying for your parent based on their entry as a tourist here. Okay, so if you are considering it, it's an option, a legitimate option, but I do recommend consulting with an immigration attorney before you start that process. Okay, so that was just a summary about the process of petitioning your parents for a green card. If you want to learn more about immigration, please like and subscribe.